You removed the video because you knew, आपको पता था कि उसमें प्रमोद मुतालिक ने बहुत ही प्रक्षोभक और इन्फ्लेमेटरी भाषण दिया है।
देखिए, मैं सिंपल चीज कहता हूँ, ये इनको आईटी और सारी चीज बहुत पता होगी जो इन्होंने किया है। यदि इन्होंने वो वीडियो डाउनलोड किया है तो हमने वो निकाला नहीं निकाला उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। वो उसको कोर्ट को बता सकते हैं, उसके अंदर क्या गलत है वो बता सकते हैं। ये सब जो इशू है वो निकाल दिया, ये किया। देखिए, बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स अपडेट होती है, रेगुलर अपडेट करना पड़ता है, उसके जो वीडियोस है वो अपडेट और रिमूव करने पड़ते हैं। ऐसे कोई बात नहीं होती है कि वो अगर उनके पास है
कोर्ट के सामने दिखा दीजिए।
दिखा दीजिए।
My question is, they are clearly saying कि one matter is in the court. Second issue is, it is your government. You held a press conference and you bravely said that ban him, ban him, ban him. Nobody is listening to you. Your party is coming out and saying he has not done anything wrong in Goa, so there are no grounds to ban him. What is this? What is this?
I have taken one-to-one meeting with Honorable Chief Minister and I have told him that please do not allow people like Pramod Mutalik to set up a unit and then we will face the music. You know, especially because our is a tourism state, we cannot allow these things to happen. So he has agreed with me. He told me when that time comes, I will ban him. When the time comes,
you are very clearly making a statement.
Yes, no, I am confident that Honorable Chief Minister will ban him. I am very much confident.
Okay. Ethel, you are confident. You are confident. You believe what Michael is saying?
No, I think no. But don't we already have laws that that we can implement to ban political outfits or religious outfits that are?
It's not a political outfit or religious outfit. It is what is in his mind. He wants to implement in Goa, like what he has done in Mangalore, the pub culture.
Yeah.
But still, the pub culture is going on in Mangalore. I was there last month. I was in a pub in Mangalore as well. We had drinks
the second
together.
Argument can be, Ethel, very frankly,
let him
very
stop
frankly,
it over there back.
The second argument can be, if Pramod Mutalik has done so much havoc in Mangalore and if the pub culture still continues,
correct,
then why should we Goans be afraid of him? Yes. Why should we demand ban on him? Let him come, let him do what he wants.
And he was against illegal pub. He clearly mentioned.
Okay.
In your interview also he clearly mentioned that he was against illegal pub and illegal whatever things were going on in that
when you are saying, रमेश जी, जब आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं पब कल्चर के खिलाफ हूँ या मैं इलीगल पब कल्चर के खिलाफ हूँ तो नहीं हो सकता ना। It cannot be illegal pub culture.
ये जो उन्होंने कहा है, मैं आपको उनका स्टेटमेंट कह रहा हूँ कि उन्होंने जो आपको कहा था इंटरव्यू में, जो कहा था वो क्लियरली उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ वो इलीगल पब्स और जो है, अब ये इलीगल पब्स को बैन करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट है लेकिन नहीं हो रहा है ना।
ओके,
नहीं हो रहा है। देखिए, I have one simple thing to look into.
Okay, quickly before okay.
One simple point.
Yes, quickly.
ठीक है।
Yeah.
करप्शन के लिए हमारे यहाँ पर लॉ है, तो फिर अन्ना हजारे का मूवमेंट क्यों बना? उन्होंने कहना चाहिए था, गवर्नमेंट ने कहना चाहिए था।
You are comparing अन्ना हजारे to Pramod Mutalik.
See, why not? क्यों नहीं? अपने विषय में होता है। आप अलग तरीके से इसको लेके जाते हैं। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, यदि कानून है फिर भी एक व्यक्ति को मूवमेंट करनी पड़ती है, तो ये जो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं कानून है और हमको आवश्यकता नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं है। लोगों को भी काम करना चाहिए।
His defense is Pramod Mutalik is opposing illegal pubs. Although he also says that he opposes illegal, he opposes pub culture, and he doesn't like Valentine's Day, he hates Rose Day, he doesn't like girls wearing scanty clothes. He's very clear about it. He says it very openly. But his main thing is he takes law into his own hands when it comes to illegal pubs. How would you reply to him?
Who authorizes him that? Who gives him the
freedom? मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि वो संवैधानिक तरीके से उन्होंने बताया।
Okay.
Yeah, as I said,
he opposes illegal pubs. That's what he's saying. Yeah. Okay. Wait.
If there are illegal pubs, go to court, go to the law enforcement agencies and get them closed.
Okay.
Who the hell has given the right to close it?
Okay.
तो फिर सोनिया गांधी के बाद में कोर्ट में क्यों नहीं गए आप?
Okay.
There's a government in position, there's a law enforcing authority in position to check into illegal pubs and whatever. The context is not that. The context is coming here and trying to be moral police and telling us what we should not do and what we should do, which is acceptable to them, okay, as a political or as a religious outfit, which I think is not done, because as I said, the larger context is being a free citizen in a country which allows every human being, whether man or woman, to practice the rights given to us, correct? You can't be coming and telling us this is allowed and that is allowed. Who the hell are you to be telling us that? Goa has lived peacefully for the past 500 years, okay, together, irrespective of who we are, where we come from. We've opened our arms to people from all over the world to come and say this is who we are. And then suddenly when you put restrictions of this set, you are changing the entire the entire fabric what Goa stands for.
Okay. आता तांचे म्हणणे हा की आम्ही फक्त इल्लीगल पबांक प्रमोद मुतालिक ओपोज करता जरी तांणी इंटरव्यूआ भितर बाकीच्यो गजाली म्हळ्यात व्हॅलेंटायन्स डे रोज डे मागीर कमी कपडे घालपी चलयो ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली म्हळ्यात बट ते म्हणटात की आमी इल्लीगल पबांक प्रामुख्यान विरोध करता तुमकां हो आर्ग्युमेंट पडटा
नाही ही हॅज अ राईट टू विरोध करपाक ताका अधिकार आसा तो कोण तुजो काढना बट यू कॅनॉट टेक लॉ इन टू युअर
Exactly, that is my point.
But he's saying that Pramod Mutalik will not take law into his hands.
On what grounds? Clearly mentioned.
Michael.
Y'all are all talking in wrong direction.
Okay.
We don't want Shri Ram Shene's office to be established in Goa. So where is the
Even if he
caution?
doesn't take law into his hands.
No,
That
even
is
if he
point.
doesn't take law into his hand, we don't want him because Goans, we all Goans,
Correct.
we know what is right and what is wrong. We know. So we don't want people like Pramod Mutalik coming from outside Goa, in Goa, establishing his office to tell us, अरे तू हे wrong करता, तू हे wrong करता, तू हे सारखे करीना, तू short skirt घातलाय, तू long skirt घातलाय, तू
Ramesh ji,
bikini घातलाय, तू
regarding
आणखी घातलाय.
Valentine's
We
Day
don't want
हो,
all this things.
regarding
very
okay,
simple
regarding
that we are
Valentine's
arguing
Day
in a
हो
wrong
या
direction.
Rose Day हो.
Then you should publicly ban them.
Of course.
Okay, Ethel.
People of Goa would be quite.
Wait. No, I'll just take one.
Goans
Regarding
are not
Valentine's Day
expert.
या regarding Rose Day या regarding वो से कहते हैं कि लड़कियों ने ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनने चाहिए indecent कपड़े. Now definition of indecent can be very broad. You indecent something that is indecent to me need not be indecent to her. That's all. So जब ये कहते हैं आपको नहीं लगता जब वो ऐसे विचार propagate करते हैं वो मेरे अभिव्यक्ति स्वातंत्र्य का उल्लंघन है? When he propagates such kind of things, then it is against my right. It is against my right of expression. Don't you feel so?
See, first thing I want to clear that
Yeah.
I am not a spokesperson for Pramod
Absolutely,
Mutalik.
absolutely.
Secondly,
Yeah.
ये जो बात है, देखिए हमारे यहाँ पर स्वतंत्रता है, स्वैराचार नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ पर मुझे क्लियर करने दीजिए, हमारे यहाँ पर इंडिसेंसी जो है उसके बारे में कानून है. हमारे यहाँ पर जो गोवा का उदाहरण देता हूं मैं, पहले यहाँ पर जो कैसिनोज के होर्डिंग्स लगते थे इतने अश्लील और इतने गंदे तरीके से बनाए जाते थे, उसके अगेंस्ट हमने अपोज किया था उसको, और उसको कलर लगा के या फ्लेक्स पूरे निकालने पड़े इसमें. दूसरा है देह का व्यापार या देह का प्रदर्शन के लिए उपयोग करना,
हर कोई उसके खिलाफ है.
ये पूरी तरह से गलत है. इसमें यदि ये सारी बातें हैं तो इस दृष्टिकोण से ऐसे कुछ चीजों के माध्यम से कोई गलत चीज प्रमोट कर रहा है.
जब प्रमोद मुतालिक जी कहते हैं कि मैं इस समाज का सेंसर बोर्ड हूं, आप एग्री करते हैं उससे?
जी, मैं आपको सिंपल चीज कह देता हूं. अभी जैसे वैलेंटाइन डे का उदाहरण लेते हैं, इसमें पूना का रेशियो आप इंटरनेट पे निकाल दीजिए. पूना के अंदर वैलेंटाइन डे के दिन कॉन्डोम का जो बिक्री है वो लगभग 500 टाइम्स होता है. तो वैलेंटाइन डे और कॉन्डोम
Okay, Ethel, do you find anything wrong in that? Okay, I'll just take her.
I think the
मैं
entire
आपको ये कह
argument.
रहा हूं, मैं आपको ये कह रहा हूं, इसका अर्थ ये होता है कि जो परिवार है, जो लोग हैं और जिनको अपने परिवार के बारे में चिंता है, तो डेफिनेटली उन लोगों के दृष्टिकोण से ये महत्व का मुद्दा है.
Ethel.
जिनके पास परंपरा और संस्कृति है, इनके लिए इम्पोर्टेंस का मुद्दा है.
I think the entire argument is completely baseless. You don't need Valentine's Day for your sale of condoms to go up.
नहीं हो रहा है ना, मैं study कर रहा हूं.
It just doesn't make sense to me at all.
Okay, so you are saying that the argument is completely
Completely,
baseless.
I mean,
Completely baseless.
yes.
मग लास्ट आपण सांगात फायनल हे करताना तुमच्या मिनिस्टरान स्टेटमेंट केलें, मागीर ताणें सांगलें की आपले ते पर्सनल ओपिनियन तुम्ही फाल्यां अशी जर खंय विचार परत येतात आणि कोण तरी प्रमोद मुतालिका सारको प्रोपगेट करता, तुम्ही विरोध करतले?
कसलो विचार सांगता?
असले हे व्हॅलेंटाईन्स डे नका, रोज डे नका,
No.
तुम्ही विरोध करतले?
Yes.
तुम्ही फुल फ्लेज विरोध
Yes,
करतले?
yes.
ओके. Ethel, final comments?
Yes.
After listening to this whole debate, what do you feel? Whether he is saying Pramod Mutalik has equal rights to start a branch in Goa, it is his right. You are saying this is my right.
Right.
Now, you want Pramod Mutalik in Goa or you don't want Pramod Mutalik?
I don't want any religious or political outfit that tells me, okay, what they think is right and wrong, what they think is good or not bad, what they think is scanty and well dressed, or what they think, you know, is as I said, spoils the feel and the culture of a place, or the sensibilities of human beings, okay, which suits their agenda. I'm an independent individual in a living.
So you don't mind Pramod Mutalik coming to Goa?
No, no.
You are saying it is not going to affect me.
No, I'm saying
you are not demanding a ban on him.
If the outfit is violent by nature, which goes out of its way to kind of say this is not done and this is done, whatever, I would say that it is a government's duty and function to say this, going by the past history, because there's history to it, correct? To say this will not work out here, boss. Thank you very much. You pack your bags, go wherever you think you should need to go. It's a free country.
Okay. Final comments.
See, in Goa, we need a responsible and sustainable tourism. With regards to tourist behavior, as they have raised, tourism department, GTTC is capable enough. We can send advisories to the countries where the tourists come in, saying that these are the do and don'ts. Baba, these are the law and order situations here. These are do and don'ts. We can put boards across tourist places, and if those tourists breach those laws, there are laws. We can act with those according to those laws. We don't need an organization to come in Goa and disturb the peace here.
Okay.
There are countries.
Ramesh ji, final comments.
फाइनली मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हिंदुस्तान में हर किसी को अपने विचार का जैसे आज़ादी है, तो यहाँ पर गोवा में आने के लिए किसी को कोई रोक नहीं लगा सकता है। और देश में जिनको बैन किया जाता है उनका स्पेसिफिकली कोई कंट्री के अगेंस्ट वॉर है या वेजिंग वॉर अगेंस्ट कंट्री, इसके बारे में होता है। इस दृष्टिकोण से यदि सोचा जाएगा तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इस प्रकार से किसी को बैन करने की आवश्यकता है। ये तो ऐसे हो गया कि कुछ मौलाना कह रहे हैं कि आपको हिजाब पहनना पड़ेगा, नकाब पहनना पड़ेगा, तो उनके बारे में कोई नहीं बोल रहा है। कांग्रेस का एक भी स्पोक्स पर्सन ये नहीं कहता है। हमारे यहाँ तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदला जाता है,
डबल स्टैंडर्ड है।
हमारे यहाँ तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदला गया है उनके लिए।
आप कह रहे हैं कि वो डबल स्टैंडर्ड है।
डेफिनेटली। और इस तरीके से यदि होता है तो उनके बारे में आप कहेंगे नहीं। यहाँ पर प्रमोद मुतालिक आएगा तो आपको रिलीजियस इशू बनेगा। तो ये दोनों बातें नहीं चलेगी।
आपके बाजू में जो बैठे उन्होंने प्लेबॉय को भी विरोध किया था, और आज वो श्री राम सेना को विरोध कर रहा है।
देखिए, हर एक का इशू अलग अलग हो सकता है, क्योंकि पॉलिटिक्स जो है उसके अंदर
आपको लगता है कि प्लेबॉय का विरोध जायज था और ये विरोध गलत है?
डेफिनेटली प्लेबॉय का विरोध एक गलत कल्चर के लिए था। और प्रमोद मुतालिक is an Indian citizen. Playboy is not Indian.
Michael, final comment.
He is an Indian citizen and he has right.
Okay, Michael, final comment.
I will be very frank on this because
quickly,
Goa, Goans are staying. Other people have also come in, and they have accepted our culture. We are very peace-loving people. We love everybody who comes. We are hospitable people. We don't want Pramod Mutalik to come and say that do this, do that, do that. No, we don't hate him. We don't hate him. We hate his mindset. His mindset, what is there, what his ideas which are there, which is trying to impose on Goans. We don't want them. And Goans will not accept.
He is saying he is an Indian citizen. He has a right.
No, he has a right to come.
Your demand to ban him is illegal. That's what he's saying.
He has a right to come in Goa. We will give him a red carpet to have a drink in Goa, to have chai in Goa, to have coffee in Goa, to stay in our hotel. I have a hotel. I will also invite him if he wants to come and stay in my hotel as a guest of the state. Not to open a branch, because we don't want moral policing from people like Pramod Mutalik, who will bring in people
and you are assuring to the people of Goa that Chief Minister has given you a word that he will ban him if he tries to open a branch.
When the time comes, Chief Minister is very smart. That is why we are ruling today. We all have won.
I think या concrete assurance चा आम्ही हांगा थांबतात, खंय तरी concretely सांगता. म्हाका दिसता लास्ट दोन मुद्दे खूब बरे तरेन आयल्यात. हिंदू जनजागृती समितीचो मुद्दो आसा की जितली स्वातंत्र्य तुमकां प्रमोद मुतालिका अगेन्स्ट विरोध करपाचे आहा तितलेंच स्वातंत्र्य प्रमोद मुतालिकाक येवन हांगा आपल्याक जाय ते विचार प्रोपगेट करपाचे आहा. मायकल म्हणटा यो आपल्या हॉटेलार रावल्या जाता, पूण कितें करपाचें आनी कितें करपाचें ना ही शापोत आमकां सांगनाका, ती आमी आयकून घेवचें ना. तुगे ब्रांच तुगेली गोंयची भायरूच दवर. आणि क्लियरली एक गजाल सांगल्या, टायम येतलो तेन्ना सरकार एक्ट करतले असो आशावाद दिवन म्हाका दिसता ही कार्यावळांक सोंपता. खूब कॉन्क्रिटली एश्युरन्स दिला. तुम्ही सगळे जाण आयले, इतली बरी भशेन मतां मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.